Welcome back, everyone. Jim here. Well, much to the chagrin of a lot of people in Maine, here we are, May 9th, and it's snowing. Grass is green. I thought I was going to have to mow the lawn yesterday. Leaves are starting to bud out, and we got this late snowstorm. It's really not, I don't know if you'd call it a snowstorm. It builds up on the grass, but hasn't built up much on the roads, but still makes for a nice looking postcard. Of course, the camper's all covered with snow now. The driveway, though, stayed pretty melted. Let's take a look out back. Alright, looks the same out back here too. I did get the vinyl on the she shed. Now it's just a matter of doing the metal trim. Yep, a lot of snow in the backyard. It's pretty though. If somebody was to say this is the middle of May, a lot of people wouldn't believe it. And a lot of people say it's pretty, I guess. Even the birds. Well, there's one woodpecker up there. Oh well, I'm going to keep it short. I just wanted to document that here we are on May 9th, like I said, and we're in the middle of the state. Kind of nestled between Gardner and Lewiston. And this is not a usual scene for this time of year. So, thanks for watching. Maybe I put a smile on somebody's face. Please give me a like and a subscribe. I'm always looking for subscribers. Won't be too long. I'll be putting the camper back up in the mountains. So, till then, I'll keep on posting videos. Thanks again. Bye.